amazing. I mean, just look at her. Look at her. She's beautiful. She's gorgeous. I took the brand new one that I bought from the store the day before and got a brand new one in the box. Something that I wanted to invest in so that I can get better at playing guitar. I wanted the experience of the unboxing, and that's how I was able to bring this video to you guys today. I don't know how long that took. We're here. They told me that I could return the guitar to this location even though I didn't buy it from this location. And you know me. Well, I guess you don't, but you'll get to know me. That is music to my ears. What? You said 2 birds, 1 stone? Crazy. Once I get the new one in a box, look at it, it's just free falling. Like, and I love it. I have a Squire. Well, I have 2 Squires. I have the P bass, and I also have the Telecaster. Also a Squire though. Here we go. Prepare to be amazed. This is just such a beautiful experience. Unboxing a brand new Fender. Yeah. Oh, can't take that back. I'm sure I could, but what I want for y'all, I get to decide how I put the scratches on her. Look at that, no scratches. Absolutely no flaws. Does she fit in the bag? The age-old question, will it blend? Hop in there, sweetheart. Like butter, because you will be needing some protection. Mainly for me. But at least there's a bag for that. Perfect. In essence, I genuinely think I'm going to put a lot of miles on this Fender, and hopefully I can upgrade to something new in the future. But for right now, enjoy the unboxing.